Hello students, today we are going to see 3.1, the Night of the Scorpion. Okay, in a previous video we already completed the exercise of 2.6, means we already completed second unit, and we can see that almost half of our portion is over. Now today we are going to start 3.1, Night of a Scorpio. And this is a small poem, actually big poem, not a small poem, a big poem. And yes, we will discuss about this poem in this video. Okay, means I don't think in one video it is possible to complete this, but let us try to complete it. So let us start without wasting time, but before going to the poem, let us see the warming up activities. Now in warming up activities, two activities are given. Let us discuss what are these two activities. First one, get into pairs and discuss the following with your parents and complete the table. Now he says get into pairs, which is not possible now because you are at homes, so we cannot get into pairs, but individually we can be in pairs. Okay, individually means just consider that you are in pairs and think to yourself and give me the answers. Many people are superstitious. This means that they have belief for which they have no logical reasons. Basically, when we talk about the superstition, so what is superstition? So superstition is a kind of act, we can say, in which we do not think in a logical reason, and we just believe on some of the things which scientifically not correct. Okay, so these are we generally call the superstition. Many people are superstitious, we know that. Even the, in short, I can say that if all of us are superstitious some or other way. The only thing is the intensity of superstition is somewhat less or more, but we all are superstitious some or in some other ways. Because we saw even the big cricketers like Sachin Tendulkar and big cricketers, many times we saw that they also look towards the sky and they show the bat. This is a kind of superstition only, we can say. And not only that, but many times we saw even in the, when we go to the doctors, and so some of the patients, when they are serious, at that time doctors also suggest us to believe in God, and he says everything in his hand, God's hand, and we go to the doctor to save the patient. I don't know, means that we can consider that also as a superstition. So in other words, every one of us keep some or other kind of superstition. The only thing is the intensity is some or means it may be less or more in different peoples. So some examples, there are some example of superstitions are there, okay, which are very common all over the world. Which are this? Let us see. This is an example of superstition is that walking under a ladder bring you bad luck. Okay, in pair list any superstition that you know of. And he says that one of the superstition, or there is a belief that if some work is going on and a ladder is kept, and if we walk inside or walk under that ladder, then that brings some bad luck to us. I don't know if this is true or I don't know exactly, but it is said that brings some bad luck to us. Now what you have to do actually, the activity which is given is in two boxes are given, in which one is for name of that superstition, what act is considered as superstition, and next is given that what kind of, what it implies actually, that particular act, what it implies. For example, okay, a very common one, what is that? If बिल्ली रास्ता काटती है, when the cat crosses a way, then we consider it as a superstition. And what it implies that you will be, the work for which you are going, that will be delayed. ऐसा माना जाता है कि जो काम हम करने जा रहे हैं वो काम नहीं होगा या फिर बहुत लेट हो जाए. और हम लोग भी इतने होशियार हैं, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, फिर बिल्ली जब रास्ता काटती है तो व्हाट वी डू, हम लोग रुक जाते हैं वहीं पे, वी स्टक देयर, वी डू नॉट क्रॉस दैट एंड वी जस्ट वेट फॉर अदर पर्सन टू, जिसको मालूम ही नहीं बिल्ली ने रास्ता काटा है, टू क्रॉस दैट and when the other person cross that, then after that we go. I don't know what happens with it, but it happens. It is going in society, in many part of the world this thing is going. In the same way we saw that the owl cries in the at the night, and we consider it as a bad omen, we consider it as a bad luck for us, right? In the same way, smashing a mirror, and smashing a mirror means we believe that in a broken mirror we should never see our face. Why? Because it brings bad luck for 7 years. These are different kind of superstition which are prevailing in a different societies. Okay. In the same way, what you have to do now, you have to one more I am getting is that the what is that, number 13, in some of the foreign countries, it is not that only Indians believe in superstition and all. In foreign countries are also there, are there in this, they also believe in this. In some of the most of the European countries, I hope, they believe that number 13 is unlucky for them, and that's why they never do most of the things they generally do not do on number 13. India also, we have some kind of मुहूर्त देख के हम लोग क्या करते, गाड़ी खरीदना है मुहूर्त देखेंगे, शादी करना है मुहूर्त देखेंगे. So all this actually are the examples of superstitions, because along with that superstitions we added some beliefs, and that beliefs tells us that this wrong things will happen if we will do this. So you have to make list, 5 are given there, so you have to at least do 5 in that. Okay, you have to write down the name of the superstition or what kind of superstitions are that and what it implies for, that you have to mention there. Next one is brainstorm. What kind of brainstorming is given here? What do you know about Scorpios? Give the point given below. Now some information about the Scorpios you have to write here in textbook only. Okay, no need to write in notebook. In textbook only you can mention this, how they attack. Okay, how the Scorpios attack, where generally their appearances are there, where we find the Scorpios, any more information about them, and apart from that, okay, before that, where they live. Do you know where the Scorpio lives? Find it out. Okay, find it out. So where they live, and apart from that, if you have any other information, you can write in the fourth arrow which is given there. So write in notebook only and send me. Okay. Let us see the poem, The Night of a Scorpio. In that, before going to the poem, let us discuss about the poet. The poet is Nasim Ejkil. Okay, Nasim Ejkil is a very famous Indian poet. Nasim Ejkil is a very famous Indian poet, and was an Indian Jewish poet. Actually, he was a Jewish poet, and he was apart from poet, he was a multifaceted personality. Apart from poet, he was an actor, he was a playwright, he was editor, he was art critic. So a lot of things he used to do. And one more thing, it is said that he was the, what we can say, the promoter of English poems or Indian English poems in a post-independence period. Okay, it is said about him. Then he was a foundational figure in a post-colonial India. So okay, it is the same thing is given here. He was a foundational figure in a post-colonial India's literary history, specifically for Indian writing for the wider range, and somewhere he is also considered as the exponent of Indian literary history, English Indian literary history. Okay, so this is what Nazim Ejkil, and he is a very famous poet actually. Okay, when you will grow up and you will see, or now also you can type his name and you can find out some of the poems, which are very good for small children also like you. One more thing I would like to tell you about Nassim Hkil. He was living in a village, and most of the time we'll find there are essence of village or countryside in Nassim Hkil's videos, in the sense in the writings. Okay, so you will find that. Now this poem, Night of a Scorpio. Okay, so let us do one thing. Let us stop here only, in because not possible to complete this poem. In next video, we'll conclude this poem or complete this poem. Okay, by that, have a nice day.